అండి అందరికీ నమస్కారం. ఈరోజు మనం ఈ వీడియోలో అప్రోచెస్, మెథడ్స్ అండ్ టెక్నిక్స్ లెసన్కి సంబంధించి కొన్ని ప్రాక్టీస్ బిట్స్ అయితే ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాము. సో ఎవరైనా ఫస్ట్ టైం కనుక చూస్తున్నట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి, లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ వచ్చేసి, ద గ్రామర్ ట్రాన్స్లేషన్ మెథడ్ బిలీవ్స్ దట్ ది ఫారెన్ లాంగ్వేజ్ ఈజ్ బెస్ట్ లెర్న్డ్ త్రూ. కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసి ఆప్షన్ 1 గ్రామర్. నెక్స్ట్, who introduced the term communicative competence? Who introduced the term communicative competence? Correct answer option 4 Himes. Next, the range of activities in the communicative language teaching is. The range of activities in the communicative language teaching is. Correct answer option 4 unlimited. Next, the structural approach was first introduced in dash state. Correct answer option 1 Madras. Next, role play gives importance to. Role play gives importance to. Correct answer option 3 student. Correct answer option 3 student. Next, an approach deals with different theories about the. An approach deals with different theories about the. Correct answer option 1 nature of language. Next, a method is a set of dash. A method is a set of dash. Correct answer option 3 procedures. Next, how a thing is done in the class is a. How a thing is done in the class is a. Correct answer option 2 technique. Next question, MIM, MEM, MIM, MEM method means. Correct answer option 2 mimic, memorize. Next, language is primary dash based. Language is primarily dash based. Correct answer option 2 speech based. Next, bilingual method means using. Bilingual method means using. Correct answer option 4 2 language. Next, Charles Fries was. Charles Fries was. Correct answer option 3 a structural linguistic. Next, in SOS approach, the structures and vocabulary are presented through situations. Correct answer option 4 both natural and controlled. Next, Wilkins proposed the national syllabus in the year. Wilkins proposed the national syllabus in the year. Correct answer option 2 1976. Next, grammar translation method dominated the European method of foreign language teaching from dash to dash. Correct answer option 2 1840s to 1940s. Next, transformational generative grammar was developed by. Correct answer option 1 Chomsky. Next, SOS approach means. SOS approach means. Correct answer option 4 structural, oral, situational. Next, the seminar at Srinagar gave a common platform for all the teachers to discuss the issue related to English language was organized by. The seminar at Srinagar gave a common platform for all the teachers to discuss the issues related to English language was organized by. Correct answer option 4 CIE Hyderabad. Next, which of the following is not a communicative activity? Not a communicative activity. Correct answer option 4 doing homework. Next, the structural approach builds the syllabus on. Correct answer option 4 structures and grammatical items. Next, it describes the nature of the subject matter to be taught. It describes the nature of the subject matter to be taught. Correct answer option 1 approach. Next, it describes approach. It describes approach. Establish a relation between theory and practice, reflects the knowledge and the beliefs the society holds in a set of correlative assumptions dealing with the language and learning. All the above right answer. Next, it describes method. Correct answer, it tells us how to teach a language.
English methodology.
Next, all the methods involve principles like. All the methods involve principles like. Correct answer option 4. Selection and gradation, percentage and repetition. So all the above right answer. Next, technique is how a thing is done in the classroom. Technique is how a thing is done in the classroom. Next, language learning is essentially a habit forming process, a process during which we can acquire. Correct answer option 2, new habits. Next, identify the advantages of the structural oral situational approach. Identify the advantage of SOS approach. So correct answer option 1, drills and repetition minimize the mistakes. Next, which is not the suggestion of Keith Morrow? Not the suggestion of Keith Morrow. Correct answer option 4, the sum of the parts are more important. Next, which is not the limitation of the communicative approach? Correct answer option 2, learning becomes dull and uninteresting. Next, it refers to the interpretation of the individual message and text. It refers to the interpretation of the individual message and text. Correct answer option 3, discourse competence. Next, who coined the term communicative competence? Correct answer option 4, Himes. Next, form is best learnt when the focus is on meaning said by. Correct answer option 1, N.S. Prabhu. Next, it is difficult for an average teacher. Correct answer option 4, the SOS approach and the communicative approach, the direct approach. All the above correct answer. Next, in this approach, mother tongue can be used as a resource. Correct answer option 2, the communicative approach. Next, identify the characteristic of communicative approach presented by Cannell and Swain. Correct answer option 1, communicative approach must provide the information, practice and much of the experiences. Next, identify which is not the feature of the grammar translation method. Not the feature of grammar translation method. Correct answer option 4, grammar is learnt inductively. Next, it is teaching about the language and not teaching the language. Correct answer option 1, the grammar translation method. Next, if the student of Karnataka uses Kannada to learn Tamil, it can be said he uses. Correct answer option 1, the grammar translation method. Next, in Punjab, the teacher uses Hindi to teach Hindi as a second language. It means he uses. Correct answer option 2, the direct method. Next, teacher of Hindi uses Marathi some extent to teach effectively in Maharashtra and she uses. Teacher of Hindi uses Marathi some extent to teach effectively in Maharashtra and she uses. Correct answer option 3, the bilingual method. Next, identify the limitation of the grammar translation method. Identify the limitation of the grammar translation method. Correct answer option 3, not suitable in higher education. Next, identify which is not the advantages of the grammar translation method. Which is not the advantages of grammar translation method. Correct answer option 2, students will be active. Next, it is not related to the direct method. It is not related to the direct method. Correct answer option 3, it was originally used to teach Greek and Latin. It was originally used to teach Greek and Latin. Next, it is not related to the direct method. It was originally used to teach Greek and Latin. Next, which is the correct statement among the following? Which is the correct statement among the following? Correct answer option 3, the direct method neglects reading and writing. Next, in bilingual method. In bilingual method, correct answer option 1, student should not use mother tongue. Students should not use mother tongue. Next, It concentrates on prioritizing learners' interests and interactions. Correct answer option 2, the communicative approach. Next, role of a teacher in the communicative approach. Role of a teacher in the communicative approach. Correct answer వచ్చేసి teacher is no longer an instructor, driller, but a leader in a discussion and a promoter of participation. He facilitates cooperative learning opportunities during interactions by playing a directive role. He encourages the learners to ask insightful questions, explain and discuss their confusions. All the above is right answer. Next, which is not the role of the learners in communicative approach? Correct answer option 4. The inquiry and evolve meaningful ideas both in reading and writing. Next, the exercises in communicative approach are designed with the principles of. Correct answer option 4. Information gap and information transfer and communicative drill. All the above right answer. Next, in the communicative drills, learners start, dash and move into individual responses as directed. Correct answer option 2. Choral repetition. Next, they believed in intensive oral drilling of the sentence patterns and pronunciation. Correct answer option 1, H.E. Palmer and A.S. Hornby. Next, who recommended systematic principles of selection, gradation and presentation? Correct answer option 1, H.E. Palmer and A.S. Hornby. Next, drills from an important technique of this approach. Correct answer option 1, the SOS approach. Next, which is not the objective of teaching or learning in the SOS approach? Correct answer option 4. Common of the 4 language skills through structures and mastery of both pronunciation and grammar, ability to express in speech situations and ability to use structures and sentence patterns. Is all the above is the objective of teaching learning in the SOS approaches. Next, dash refers to the mastery of abstract system of rules. Correct answer option 1, competence. Next, dash refers to the actual use of language which is identified with the criterion of acceptability. Correct answer option 2, performance. Next, transformational generative grammar was developed by dash in 1959. Correct answer option 3, Chomsky. According to the communicative approach, in order for learning to take place, emphasis must be on 3 strategies. Identify which is not among the 3 strategies. Correct answer option 4, structure. Next, in this method, syllabus consists of a few prose pieces, poems, non-detailed text, grammar and written work. So correct answer option 1, the grammar translation method. Next, the idea of this method is that foreign language teaching must be carried out in the same way how children learn their mother tongue. Correct answer option 2, the direct method. Next, it designs language-based activities that make the learners curious, creative and collaborative. Correct answer option 3, the child-centered method. Next, in this method, much of the learning lays importance on listening comprehension. Correct answer option 4, the body language method. Next, such a practice gives the learners an opening to their oratory skills. Correct answer option 2, oral presentation. Next, a dozen dainty doggies dilly-dally in the dark is. A dozen dainty doggies dilly-dally in the dark is. Correct answer option 1, tongue twister. Next, they can be used to fill in the gaps while turn taking. Correct answer option 3. Dialogues. Next, it needs a meticulous planning. Correct answer option 4. Pair work. Next, to use the technique of pair work a teacher should. Correct answer option 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So to use the technique of pair work a teacher should illustrate how it enhances learning, explain the individual roles, move away to a corner and observe the activity, signal both the beginning and end of activity, correct the mistake at the end by giving a feedback. Next, remedial teaching is. Correct answer option 2. Diagnosing the areas of difficulty. Next, many learners in dash classes struggles with a thought that they are stupid. Correct answer option 2. Remedial. Next, it can be useful in remedying the frequently occurring errors. Correct answer option 3. Structural drill. Next, practicing dialogues makes the learners. Correct answer option 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is correct answer. Improve listening skills and warm up in natural learning environment and polish pronunciation and intonation and master language skills over a minimum span of time is practicing dialogue makes the learners. సో ఇవ్వండి అప్రోచెస్, మెథడ్స్ అండ్ టెక్నిక్స్కి సంబంధించి కొన్ని ప్రాక్టీస్ బిట్స్. సో ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.